Hi friends, welcome back and welcome to Living on the Edge. This video is not about a room. This video is actually about a service. This video is about Celebrity Constellation, and to be specific, this is about the retreat experience. I would like to share with you in this video how the retreat experience was and is on this cruise ship, how did I feel about it, and whether it's actually worth potentially for you to upgrade to the retreat, or maybe it's something that's really not necessary. So of course, get comfortable, grab something nice to eat, something to drink, and let's begin. So we'll start first, of course, with getting on board. And what is actually a retreat? I will say this, a retreat is relatively a new product to Celebrity. You probably saw my other videos on different cruise ships for the retreat, but I will just recap it quick. It's a relatively new product because back in the day Celebrity didn't have it for their suite guests. It's an attempt to create this feeling of a ship within a ship experience. It makes your vacation more elevated. It's supposed to make you feel very, very special, and kind of, let's say, merge the gap between luxury and top luxury cruise lines. So yeah, that's the product. It actually comes with all of the suites with Celebrity Cruise Lines, and this is something you can definitely enjoy on any level, whether you would like to book it on a Sky Suite, which is basically the entry level for the suites, or go as high as Penthouse and even higher on different ships. They all have very, very similar benefits. The retreat experience actually begins before you get on board. You get an email after you book your suite, your retreat, and in that email you actually being asked for special needs, special requests you might have. I can't really mention all of them because there is a lot to that, but I will just recap the things. Some of them would be, for example, pillows you would like to have a preference, whether it's body pillow or whether it's, for example, ergonomic pillow. There's always a welcome bottle of wine that waiting for you. So do you would like to have the sparkling wine, red, white, stuff like that? If you have any celebrations perhaps, or something that they should know about you, it's all definitely an option to put in that form to make your vacation more special and to help the cruise line to get ready for you as a guest to make your vacation unforgettable. They will also ask you about the group you're traveling with. So some of us, of course, just travel by ourselves or with our significant other or whoever that might be, but we only accommodate one room, and that's perfectly fine. However, some of us is actually traveling with family or perhaps other friends, and not all of them potentially staying in the retreat. Some might actually have irregular rooms. In that form, you will be able to list and link those reservations, and while those other people who are not sharing with you the room or who are not part of the retreat will not really be able to enjoy the extra benefits, but Celebrity will do their best to accommodate you, at least when you get to the cruise port, to make sure that you are checking in together, not to separate the party. So that's very nice, and I really appreciated that. I was not able to, of course, test it because I was not cruising with other people. However, it's definitely there, and it's about to make your vacation and boarding process much more seamless. Now I will say, when I got to the cruise port, right after the security and the passport check, of course you get to the reception for the retreat. I disembarked from Tampa Cruise Port. This is not the flagship terminal for Celebrity like in Fort Lauderdale. However, they still arranged over there a special area for the retreat guests with a lot of welcome drinks and some snacks. There was stuff like San Pellegrino, and I think there was even some sort of a sparkling wine or something like that. I didn't really take the time to sit there and enjoy that, but the process was very, very seamless. They take your passport, take your information right there in that tiny area lounge, and then they will just, whenever you will tell them that you're ready to board the ship, they will literally escort you out and escort you in to make sure that you're not staying with everybody in line to get on board. Now, once you're on board, you can head away, of course, as always, into your room, into your suite, and you can leave your luggage over there because your suite is still being prepared. They're usually ready about 1:30 p.m. But yes, you can, of course, drop your stuff and grab your room cards and start your vacation. About 12 o'clock is when a special lunch is open. And this is when we're going to start talking about the restaurant. One of the incredible benefits that are there for the retreat guests is actually the Lumine restaurant. The Lumine restaurant is actually a dedicated restaurant which is there always for you, no matter again which category of suite you booked. But it's a restaurant that's specifically only for the suite guests. I will say that you don't need to make any reservations. You don't need to make any plans you would like to have an early dining or late dining. This place is pretty much there to accommodate you whenever you would like. So this is very, very convenient. The menu is very upscaled. It's absolutely up there. But I will talk also about one of the benefits being in the Sky Aqua Class suite. That suite is actually very unique. And it's unique not necessarily because of the room you see behind me, because it's pretty much look like any other Sky suite. But as an Aqua Class Sky suite, you can actually enjoy both benefits from the retreat as well as the Aqua Class, which means you can enjoy the Blue restaurant, you can enjoy the retreat restaurant, the Lumine, of course. You can also have the access for the spa and the thermal suites and the classes, of course, if you enjoy those, for gym classes and some workouts. And you have some extra amenities here in the room, which you probably saw in my video about this room review, but you have like yoga mattresses and stuff like that. I will say this, while this benefit is wonderful, and especially the restaurant benefit, you don't necessarily need to go to Blue in order to enjoy that benefit, because you can still stay in your Lumine restaurant, the suite restaurant, and ask to order from the Blue menu. Basically, when you are in those category of suites, all the menus on board, besides the specialty dining, is actually open for you. So you can order from main dining, you can order from Blue, which is for Aqua Class, and you can also obviously order from the Lumine suites. So any included main dining options on board the ship is actually there for you to enjoy. 7 days is definitely not enough to try everything, but it's definitely there. And I'm listing here a few pictures, of course, of the beautiful, beautiful dishes. Most of them were incredible. I really, really enjoy the food here. If you have any special dietary needs or any request or something you don't like, or you want an appetizer from a main dining and you want the main course from the Blue and the dessert from a retreat, you can definitely do all those. This is incredible benefits of staying in the retreat. Now, as far as the dining goes, I'm not sure if it was specific with me or it's something that actually happens every time. Every night you have pretty much the same waiter, which is very nice because that person actually learns your habits, learns things that you like or dislike, and it makes towards the middle or even the end of the cruise, the longer time you spend together, your experience even better and better. So that's very nice to have. I will mention that the Lumine is open for breakfast, lunch and dinner every day. However, the lunch is not open during the poor days. And this is when another benefit of retreat comes into very handy, which is having your own butler and included room service. You have a separate room service menu, and your butler can always deliver that, especially, of course, on those poor days. So you won't need to go to the buffet. Not that there is anything wrong with the buffet, but you still can keep experiencing your intimate dining, your personal approach. This time it will be from your butler, and I would say probably all of the suites have enough space to accommodate a comfortable dining in your suite. Whether it's going to be on a coffee table, even in this is the smallest ship they have on board, in smallest suite, that they have on board. But whether it's going to be on your coffee table, in your living room space area, or on your balcony, because the table is large enough to accommodate a meal for 2 people. So this is very, very nice to have. Now let's talk about the bed and your sleeping habits. As we know, some cruise ships has better mattresses, some not as great, some are renovated, some not. I will say that in this particular suite, and as far as I know, in all of the retreat product on board the Constellation. The mattresses that you can see behind me are definitely upgraded. It's what's called the cashmere, I think, celebrity mattress, and I'm very, very picky with my bedding and with my mattresses. I will say, as I mentioned before in the review about this room, my sleep was incredible, and this for partially one of the big benefits staying in those rooms, because your bed is so good, everything is so comfortable that it makes sure that your stay is very full, and you actually can enjoy the next day very well, because you get a very good night rest. If you have any requests, like for example you would like to have a still water, sparkling water, some of us want to have it before bed or during the night just to have it next to you, again, you have your butler, you have your room service, it's all included. Enjoy it, and it's going to make your rest, your recharge, even better. Now, what are the things that you can ask from your butler, you ask? And really the sky is the limit. There is really nothing that they will say no to. They will, of course, can't provide everything. They can't do everything you might want, but I can promise you one thing. They will try to do their best to make sure whatever you would like can happen, or they will, of course, offer you an alternative. And I will give an example. If you want, for example, to have a coffee in your room. Now, I will say it is surprising to me that in the Sky Suites, for example, there is no coffee maker or coffee facility inside of your suite. Even though that, for example, on the sister ships on Royal Caribbean, anything from Junior Suite already have the coffee maker. But you always have, again, your butler. With a simple contact, whether calling the butler or even sending them a WhatsApp message, which is, by the way, a new option. You can contact your butler via WhatsApp. They can deliver you whatever you would like, whether it's just an espresso or coffee or specialty drink, anything you would like. They will make sure that they go for you to the coffee shop, Del Bacio, and they will bring you, whenever you would like, the drink you need. So there's a lot of things that you can ask from your butler. Another option would be packing and unpacking of your luggage, which, my friends, I'm not sure if you used it before. I have not. I don't want other people touch my personal stuff. However, the option is definitely there. I think it's actually really cool, because you perhaps can continue your vacation, which is the last day, for example, is always the saddest day, and somebody else can make sure that your personal stuff are packed and made ready for you to go home. So if this is something you used before, please share below. I'm very curious to see how your opinion was about it. But that's one of the options. Another thing, for example, would be to make your tub. The butler can set up a very nice relaxing bathtub for you with aromatherapy oils and stuff like that, just for you to enjoy before, for example, your bedtime. So yeah, there's a lot of things, and there's actually a file that comes with a suite with a list of ideas what you can use your butler for. So of course, don't forget to use that. It's definitely there for you to make your stay special. Now let's talk about another item, another product that actually is part of the retreat, and this is your retreat lounge. On this ship, this is something that it's relatively new. It used to be the Michael's Club, now it's the retreat lounge. It was renovated, as you can see, but this space is located on deck number 4, and it's absolutely there to make your stay more luxurious and isolated from the rest of the ship. In that lounge you can find your, of course, concierges, which is going to help you with any reservations or something you might need, whether it's your bill or whether it's, for example, your excursions or any questions you might have. They're definitely there to help you. They're basically your front desk without the need to go to deck number 3 and stand in line. In the same lounge you will find also a bar, a very attentive bartenders and waiters who will serve anything you would like. There's a menu, but they also will do anything you actually like, even if it's not there. There is also a separate area for you to enjoy maybe light snacks. There's light snacks for breakfast, light snacks for afternoon tea, for dinner, stuff like that. So again, if you would like just to have your chill time, separated from the rest of the ship, just to feel more luxurious, isolated, it's definitely there for you. I do really enjoy in this particular lounge that it actually has an access or exit towards a balcony. So when you are in this bar area, you can access to the deck, the outside deck on deck number 4. Just enjoy the fresh air, enjoy the light, and return back whenever you would like. So yeah, this is a great benefit, in my opinion, to enjoy and have more special feeling on board the ship when you are in the retreat. Now I will say that this ship unfortunately still does not have any retreat deck as of this point, and we are right now in February 2025. I'm hoping that in the future this will be added, but as of right now there is no outdoors area for the retreat guests. However, there is another option, which is actually not for the outdoors, but for the night events. So every night, whenever you have your entertainment show or whenever you have your production show, on deck number 5, right in the center, where is the best view for everything, those 3 rows are actually reserved just for you, the retreat guests. Every night there will be somebody else, somebody different there, whether it's your concierge or maybe one of the butlers or somebody to welcome you there and to make sure that you sit in right there in the best seats possible. You have somebody to approach you right away just to serve you the favorite drinks you would like or any request you might have. So you never have to worry about fighting over a good seat or coming to the theater very, very early just to make sure you can sit comfortably. It's definitely there for you. It makes your whole experience much more relaxed to make sure that you seamlessly going from dinner to the show or vice versa from the show to the dinner without spending time on arrangements and planning. So one of the last things that actually we need to mention with the retreat would be the benefit of all inclusive. And what I mean by that is actually, as you know, when you book in your cruise ship, booking your cruise, you have the opportunity to, of course, prepay or not prepay for your internet, your drinks, stuff like that. When you are booked into the retreat, and I'm not talking about move up or bidding or stuff like that, when we are booked into the retreat, everything is included. The retreat includes 1 device of internet per guest in the retreat, and it's a high-speed internet. The retreat includes deluxe drinking package, unlimited for every guest in the retreat. So you don't have any of those extra charges once you are in a retreat. It makes basically your whole vacation, your stay, all-inclusive. It does not include, at least in my suite, in the Sky Suite, it doesn't include the gratuities, but other than that, everything is pretty much covered. So we spoke about a lot of things. I'm sure some of them are not covered, but I tried to cover most of the things, and now we are back to the main question. Does the retreat really worth it? So as always, my friends, like with anything else, I think it's a matter of personal perspective and personal price. You need to price, first of all, if there is a value for you of the size of the accommodation. How much are you willing to pay for a bigger room to have bigger, maybe better bed or have more sitting space or stuff like that? But don't forget, there's also the math in point to be brought when you have things included, like the drinking package, like the internet, and the number of people sharing this accommodation. So if the price is right, I definitely think it's highly recommended and it's definitely worth it. It elevates the whole experience on board the cruise ship into something that actually very close to what high-end cruising is with the smaller boutique cruise lines. And I don't want to mention names on this video, but you know what I'm talking about. It actually merges this gap between just a nice cruise to high-end luxury. I will say that having a butler, even though it's absolutely not something you have to have, but it's definitely an incredible extra for you to enjoy your cruise. The food was phenomenal on this cruise ship. The service was outstanding. The sleep quality was incredible. So yes, I personally think it's worth it if the price is right out there for you and you know better what's worth it for you. But if you can afford it, if you think it's something that's worth it for you, definitely try it at least once so you can know for future if this is something you want to follow up. Of course, as always, if you have any questions, if you would like to share your own experience, please don't hesitate to do that in this video. I'm always enjoying to read your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like everything I'm doing, simply because that's what helps me to keep doing that and sharing this information with you to help you make your better decision next time for your next adventure. As always, thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you for taking a tour and the time to hear about the retreat and the other videos I'm making out there. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'm your Hedge.